Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about some important GK questions. So friends, watch this video till the end. First question is, where did Pike's rebellion take place? Answer, Odisha. Pike rebellion took place in Odisha. Okay, next very important question. Where was the capital of Ongo Mahajanpad? Answer, Champa. Champa was the capital of Ongo Mahajanpad. Next. Who was the editor of the evening newspaper? Answer, Brahmabandham Upadhyay. Brahmabandham Upadhyay was the editor of evening newspaper. Next very important question. Author of the book Raitarangini. Answer, Colhon. Okay, Colhon. Colhon was the author of the book Raitarangini. Next very important question. The meaning of the word Renaissance is? Answer, revival. The meaning of the word Renaissance is revival. Next very important question. During the reign of which king did Megasthenes come to India? Answer, Chandragupta Maurya. During the reign of Chandragupta Maurya, Megasthenes came to India. Next. In which year was the Treaty of Amritsar signed? Answer, 1809. In the year 1809, the Treaty of Amritsar was signed. Next. Brahmo Samaj was founded by? Answer, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Brahmo Samaj was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Next. In which year was the first session of the National Congress held? Answer, 1885. Okay, the first session of National Congress was held in 1885. Next. During the reign of which Pal king did the Koiborto rebellion take place? Answer, Mahipal II. During the reign of Mahipal II, the Koiborto rebellion took place. Next. The first Governor General of Bengal was? Answer, Warren Hastings. The first Governor General of Bengal was Warren Hastings. Next. In what year did the Mopala rebellion take place? Answer, 1921. In the year 1921, the Mopala rebellion took place. Next. Who was the editor of Bangodarshan magazine? Answer, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was the editor of Bangodarshan magazine. Next. Which king is known from the Junagadh inscription? Answer, Rudradhaman. Rudradhaman is known from the Junagadh inscription. Next. Bharat Sabha was founded by? Answer, Surendranath Banerjee. Bharat Sabha was founded by Surendranath Banerjee. Next. Somdev was the court poet of which king? Answer, Prithviraj II. Somdev was the court poet of Prithviraj II. Next. Author of the book Dansagar? Answer, Ballal Sen. Ballal Sen was the author of the book Dansagar. Next. In what year was the Brahmo Samaj founded? Answer, 1828. In the year 1828, Brahmo Samaj was founded. Next. Who introduced the Pathshala settlement? Answer, Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings introduced the Pathshala settlement. Next. Where was Harshavardhan's capital? Answer, Kannauj. Kannauj was Harshavardhan's capital. Okay, friends, in this video I have already discussed 20 questions. All questions are very much important for your any kind of competitive exam. I hope this video will help you to increase your knowledge. And friend, if you want to get another video you can go to my channel. There you will get a playlist. From there you can watch any kind of video. Friends, you can also subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get the notification of the next video. Thank you for watching my video.